organic. Tulad nito. Hi sir!
Yes, ma'am.
Mga organic products po ito?
Naturally produced. Kina-claim na organic because we do not have the certificate of violation sa batas.
Naturally produced.
Yes.
Actually, I'm vlogging. Okay lang, interviewin kita sa
Yes,
sir.
okay lang.
Ano po yung mga products nyo dito?
For example, salt and egg is a
Yeah.
free-range duck na hindi po naka-in-house.
Yes.
Kinakain niyo alcohol and then
Nice.
ginamitan namin ng turmeric as natural flavoring. We do have also the santan at yung ano niya ma'am, yung pulp niya ginawa namin chips. Yeah.
Nice.
Yes, we have the kamyas, we have the newly harvested ampalaya, we have the maubos ng kalamansi, we have the natundan.
Natundan.
Yes,
Wow.
we have also the instant salabas, the ginger, and we have the loyang dilaw.
Wow.
Pag pagod ka na at gusto, so 24 pesos ma'am. Masarap sana niyan kung marunong kang mag-insalada.
Ay, opo, sir.
Yung alam mo, yung
Ang dami namin
ito,
kamatis.
yun, lagyan mo ng kamatis, then itap mo nito, then butternut leaf, yung butternut flour, ang sarap.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yan po ma'am, 24.
Wow, may plants pa sa baba.
Yes,
Hello everybody! So ito, meron akong binili. Actually, I'm so interested of this. Black rice. Kasi before, I'm eating brown rice. Ito pala black. So may black, saka organically grown. Saan lugar po pala ito, ma'am?
Ocampo po.
Ocampo. Picture lang si Madam. Hello. Thank you. And then ito, since hindi ko to mabili kasi mabigat, konti lang yung aking capacity ng bag. Ito na lang yung binili ko. Ayan. Thank you so much po. 50 pesos lang yan. Oh, 'di ba? Ayan, marami pa silang ibang products. Organic. Thank you. Salamat po.